Hello everyone. Today I will explain you in detail the letter writing. This will be as per the CBSE syllabus. We all know that there are the two types of the letter writing, formal and informal. As we are having the formal letters in our syllabus, so let's understand the format of the formal letters. Here we have to learn about the two type of the letters, that is letter to the editor and number two is business letters. In business letters we will include placing an order letter, complaint letter and inquiry letters. We will discuss the business letters in a next session. So first of all, let's understand what are the formal letters. Formal letters are the ways to communicate your perception of a serious issue. These will be mostly addressed to the editor, mayor, police or officer of importance. So be particular about the punctuation and general layout of the formal letter. The end commas are out of fashion. The address is written on the left hand of the page. No comma is used after salutation. Now we will understand about the format of the letter writing. So the format I have divided into the 8 parts. First is heading, second is date, third is receiving editor's address, fourth is salutation, fifth is subject, sixth is body and seventh is complimentary clause and eighth is sender's name and signatures. So as we know that we have to be write down the letter on the left side, whatever, when we are going to start this one. So first of all, we have to be mention the sender's address. In sender's address, we should write down the house number or the name of the street or the name of the village and town, or we can write down mail also. Then in the second step, we have to be write down the date. Here I mention the date into the two types. First is British and second is American. In British date, we first of all we have to be mention about the date, then month, then year. And in second in American, we have to mention about the first month, then is date and then is year. But as we are following the Britishers language, so we have to be write down the date in like this way. So it is up to you. If you want to be write down this one, then you can write down, but we should not to be write down the date with the slash. Then in a third point, we have to be mention about the receiving editor's address. It means to whom we are addressing the letter. So first of all, we have to mention about the editor. Second, we can write down here the name of the newspaper and the address of the newspaper where it publishes, like New Delhi. If we are writing here the Tribune, so we have to be mentioned here Chandigarh. Then after that we have to leave the line and then we have to give the salutation point. In salutation point, we have to start with the dear sir and madam. If it is not sure that the editor is sir or madam, we should always mention with the sir. Then by leaving the next line, we have to start with the next point, that is the subject. Subject is topic on which we are writing. That means we have to be mention about our problem or the subject on which we are writing a letter and it should be underlined. And in some letters, sometimes the subject is before the salutation. So it is not mandatory that you have to be write down above or down as well. So now we come to the sixth part, that is the body of the letter. The body of the letter we can divide into the 3 or the 4 paragraphs. In the first paragraph, you have to introduce about yourself. Then in second paragraph, you have to be mention about the details of the topic. It includes the causes as well as the reasons. And in third paragraph, you can conclude your lines by saying what you want from the government and what kind of the measures you want to take. And in last paragraph, we can make a request to publish that letter also. And by leaving the next line, we should have to be make a thank you. And last, how we can give the complimentary clause, we should give them yours truly or yours sincerely as well. But we should not be put the apostrophe here. And in the last, we have to be mention about the sender's name and signatures. I hope you are able to understand the format of the letter. Thank you so much.